250 miles an hour, 300 before he pops the drag chute because he doesn't want to run off the end of the runway and take a bath in the bay.
Can't quite see you. Get it lined up. Get those wheels on the ground. Get it lined up. Roll the land on the ground. Roll the ground. Okay. We're going to have to come back around again. As you can see here, we actually have a very experienced pilot in this aircraft. I'd like to introduce you Alan Miller, flying this 1946 rocket champ. He's taking this thing through its paces. I'd like you to keep in mind this thing's got only 65 horsepower. I've got motorcycles that have more horsepower than that. And he's doing a fine job of this. All right, coming around. Horses with that thing. Wow.
Cameras ready. Contamination. Here's a demonstration. Combination of the F-16 with exceptional thrust and flight control. This is 915 moving power. On your right, the F-16 fighting Falcons in the night is fast.
I wonder if they do their own music and this guy's on with like, you know, up and rock. This is kind of what you want to be listening to with your own head.
Number 4, another high-speed pass.
Low cloud cover. This is actually a very low altitude jump for our team. And did prohibit us from bringing in our tandem jump. Big CEO, Colonel Anna Carrico is not jumping with us today.
We're riding this little bit. Colorful orange station leading out here.
Okay, here they come again from the left-hand side. Oh, look at this. You know what? It's
on
right
there.
He got it.
He got it.
He got it. Now, let the tail down gently.
And then they're going to have to strap it down to the truck because of the crosswind.
They got it.
the ram air canopy. Of course, we got the old military jumpers, especially those who jump the T-10, the old round parachute, are totally amazed at the performance that these canopies provide. A forward speed from these very small canopies of up to 30 miles an hour.
Taxiing in tight formation, just as you will see it perform here this afternoon. This degree of precision has become a trademark of the Blue Angels since first established 66 years ago. 16 officers and 100 in this promotion provides the leading flight demonstration squadron. 4 of the demonstration flying pilots fly while we fly a solo. Maximum performance demonstrators. Once again, Lieutenant Mark Tedrick from aircraft 360 degrees with the landing gear extended. The dirty roll-on takeoff. Knife edge pass. By the 4 Diamond pilots, Lieutenant Commander Ticket and Blue Angel number 6 turns his smoke on and attempts to overtake them at center point at airspeeds approaching 600 miles per hour. From the left, the dirty, clean flat pass.